the winner or what soccer team is going to play against the other, and how they are going to advance. So let's start in here between, or like from the right side, between Scotland and Japan. Which team would you suggest, or would you say that, like speculating, of course, would be the winner here?
The winner will be Japan.
Okay, you say Japan. We click and we already have it in there. Okay, and out of these two,
Again.
yeah, we have
Norway.
yes. Cote d'Ivoire and Norway.
For me, I see Norway.
Norway as passing,
Yes.
advancing here. Okay, so you say that these two will
Yes.
find themselves. I mean, they will actually compete.
Yes.
So Japan, and Norway. So if we moving on, we scroll down a little bit. Here we have Mexico and Ecuador. Notice what a surprise we have in here. So
Ecuador,
Ecuador is going to pass
Yes.
against Mexico.
Yes.
We haven't commented much about Mexico. What do you think about Mexico? Do they have like a good soccer team, or
But
just
no,
a random one?
Mexico is never. It was. I think it had good teams, but now I don't think.
Okay, they are not like being like
No.
the best at
No.
all. So okay, so Ecuador in here, and between Croatia and Senegal, this is a tough one. I think this is a tough. If we get to see this in the World Cup, I think Croatia and Senegal is going to be tough.
Croatian.
So, but you say definitely.
Yes.
Okay. Although Senegal has a good soccer
Yes.
team, but if we need to decide, and notice that here you win or you win, right?
Yes.
If you don't win it like a reglementary time allowed, you're going to continue like a little bit more, like 15 minutes each, and then penalties,
Yes. Yes.
So it is like this. And
Yes.
what about between? Notice this. It's like a classic, This
classic,
is tough,
yes.
a really, really interesting one.
Yes.
A really complicated one.
Yes,
What do you think?
for me,
Argentina
I will
between
think-
Uruguay. What do you think about this two?
I think it will be Uruguay. Could be.
Could win,
Could win. Yes.
so it's going to pass.
It's going to pass, but I'm.
Well, we don't know.
We don't-
This one is difficult. So which
Yes.
one would you select?
Or I will give the chance for Uruguay.
Okay, to pass.
Yes.
Okay, this is if this happens, I think this is going to be amazing.
Yes.
And what about if we continue between Turkey and Egypt?
Egypt. Turkey.
Turkey is going to pass. So we will see then, of course, a match between Uruguay and
Yes.
Turkey. Moving on, it says Switzerland and New Zealand.
For me, it will be Switzerland
Switzerland will advance.
because New Zealand, for me,